Good day, sir. This is Franklin T. Filisarta, and this is my report in electrical machine. Transformer. A transformer is an important electrical device used to transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another through electromagnetic induction. It helps increase or decrease voltage levels depending on the requirement of the electrical system. Transformers are widely used in homes, industries, school, power station, and electrical distribution systems. Without transformers, efficient transmission of electricity over long distance would be not be possible. Transformer is very important. It has a big role in our industries. Transformers are essential because they make power transmission more efficient, reduce electrical losses, provide safe voltage levels, protect electrical equipment, improve electrical system performance, allow electricity to travel long distances. In modern society, transformers are found in power plants, factories, residential areas, hospitals, communication systems, electronic devices. Without transformers, electrical systems would be inefficient and dangerous. Construction of transformer. Faraday's law states that a changing magnetic flux through a conductor induces electromotive force or EMF. This principle is the foundation of transformer operation. The induced voltage increases when magnetic flux changes rapidly. More turns are used in the coil. Stronger magnetic fields are present. This law explains how electric energy is transferred between windings. Main parts of transformer. The basic part of transformer are primary winding, connected to the input power source, produce magnetic flux. Second is secondary winding, connected to the load, receives induced voltage. Number 3 is core, made of laminated iron or ferrite, provides path of magnetic flux, reduce energy losses. Types of transformer. 1. Set-up transformer. 2. Step-down transformer. 3. Isolation transformer. 4. Auto transformer. 5. Three-phase transformer. 6. Instrument transformer. Step-up transformer. Function. Increase the voltage from the primary winding to the secondary winding. Its application is used in power generation plants to increase the voltage for efficient transformation over long distances. Advantages: reduces transmission losses by increasing voltage, which decreases current and consequently 12-hour losses. Disadvantages: require high insulation and safety measures due to high operating voltage. Step-down transformer. Function: decreases the voltage from the primary winding to the secondary winding. Application: used in distribution networks to lower the voltage for safe use in homes and businesses. Advantages: provides safe and usable voltage levels for household and commercial application. Disadvantages: lower efficiency at very low load condition. Number 3. Isolation transformer. Function: provides electrical isolation between the primary and secondary windings without changing the voltage level significantly. Application: used for safety in sensitive equipment and to insulate different sections of a power system. Advantages: enhances safety by insulating equipment by high voltage spikes and grounding issues. Disadvantages: larger and more expensive than auto transformer for the same power rating. Auto transformer. Function: shares common windings between the primary and secondary sides, offering variable voltage output. Application: used for voltage regulation and to provide small voltage change in power system. Advantages: more compact, efficient, and cost-effective compared to standard transformers for the same power rating. Disadvantages: does not provide electrical insulation between primary and secondary circuits. Three-phase transformer. Function: designed to handle three-phase power either by combining three single-phase transformer or using a single three-phase unit. Application: used in power generation, transformation, and distribution system to handle three-phase power. Advantages: more efficient and cost-effective for three-phase power system. Disadvantages: more complex construction and higher initial cost compared to single-phase transformer. Instrument transformer. Function: used for measuring voltage and current in high voltage system. Includes current transformer or CTS, and potential or voltage transformer or PTS. Application: used in metering and protection system in power networks. Advantages: provides safe and accurate measurement of high voltages and currents. Disadvantages: limited power handling capacity. And that's all, sir. Thank you.